Hey guys, Ranvijay here, and today we're talking about something super important, learning to drive. Believe me, getting behind the wheel is like unlocking a whole new level of freedom. No more depending on others, waiting for buses, or shelling out cash for cabs. You're in the driver's seat, literally. Learning to drive can be a game changer. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about taking control, being independent, and exploring the open road on your own terms. And trust me, the feeling of accomplishment you get when you're cruising along, totally in control. Priceless. So are you ready to hit the road and experience this awesome feeling of freedom? Let's dive into the basics and get you started on your driving journey. Alright, so you're pumped about driving, but where do you even begin? Don't worry, I've got your back. Before you hit the road, there are a few essential things you need to do. First things first, get yourself a learner's license. It's like your permit to learn, and it's super important for legal driving. Next, find yourself a driving guru. It could be a family member, a friend, or a professional instructor. Someone experienced who can guide you. Get familiar with the car you'll be driving. Learn the basics, the controls, the gears, the mirrors. This is key for a smooth start. Once you've got these basics down, you're ready to start the engine and take those first steps towards becoming a pro driver. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so relax, take it slow, and enjoy the learning process. Now that you're familiar with the car, it's time to understand the language of the road. Driving isn't just about controlling the car, it's about being aware of your surroundings, anticipating what other drivers might do, and reacting accordingly. Your mirrors are your best friends while driving. Make it a habit to constantly check your rear view and side mirrors. This helps you keep track of what's happening around you. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means slow down. Simple, right? Follow traffic signals religiously. They keep everyone safe and traffic flowing smoothly. Always use your indicators to signal your intentions, whether you're changing lanes, turning, or overtaking. It's all about communicating with other drivers. Remember, driving is a team effort. Be predictable, follow the rules, and communicate clearly with other drivers. This way, everyone stays safe and sound on the road. Section 4. Practice makes perfect, boss. Alright, now for the fun part. Practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become behind the wheel. Start slow, be patient, and gradually challenge yourself with different driving situations. Start small. Begin by practicing in a safe open area like an empty parking lot. Get a feel for the car's controls, practice starting and stopping, and get used to steering. Graduate to quiet roads. Once you're comfortable with the basics, move on to quiet residential streets. Practice driving straight, making turns, and parking. Level up to busy streets. As your confidence grows, gradually venture onto busier roads with more traffic. This will help you hone your skills in real-world driving conditions. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your driving skills be. Take it one step at a time, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask your driving guru for help or advice. Section 5. Gadi Chalana Awashant Reina. Driving can be a bit nerve-wracking, especially in the beginning. But trust me, staying calm and composed is crucial for making good decisions behind the wheel. Deep breaths, buddy. If you find yourself getting tense or stressed while driving, take a few deep breaths and remind yourself that you've got this. Focus is key. Avoid distractions like loud music or using your phone while driving. Your full attention should be on the road and your surroundings. Don't rush, take it easy. There's no need to speed or rush. Maintain a safe speed, be patient with other drivers, and enjoy the journey. Remember, driving is a skill that takes time and practice to master. Be patient with yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all do. And keep practicing. The more you drive, the more confident and at ease you'll become. Section 6. Traffic rules. Dosti Nibhao Safety Key Sath. Traffic rules are there for a reason, to keep everyone safe on the road. Think of them as your best friends on your driving journey. Following them not only ensures your safety, but also that of other drivers and pedestrians. Seatbelts are your shield. Always wear your seatbelt and make sure your passengers do too. It's the simplest yet most effective way to protect yourself in case of an accident. Don't drink and drive. This should go without saying, but never drink and drive. It's not cool, it's dangerous, and it puts everyone at risk. If you're planning to drink, designate a driver or call a cab. Speed limits are not suggestions. Pay attention to speed limits and adjust your speed accordingly. Speeding reduces your reaction time and increases the severity of accidents. Remember, driving is a privilege, not a right. By following traffic rules, you're not only being a responsible driver, but also contributing to a safer environment for everyone on the road. So, be a responsible roadie and drive safe. Section 7. Ab to Gear Badhau Champions. So there you have it, guys. The basics of learning to drive. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single drive. It's all about taking that first step, practicing consistently, and staying safe. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones to becoming a better driver. Stay focused, be alert, and most importantly, enjoy the freedom and independence that comes with driving. Soon enough, you'll be cruising down the road, blasting your favorite tunes and feeling like the ultimate roadie. Keep rocking, stay safe, and I'll see you on the road.